Hi guys, welcome to this introduction video. Today we did a model of the 3-point bending test and shear ductility and load transfer of a RC concrete beam reinforced with NSM or near surface mounted aluminium sections. Here we can do one of these scenarios here. And if you check, I did this in Abacus simulation. We have the concrete, 3-point bending, steel reinforcement, and here you can see the near surface aluminum section mounted here, or near surface mounted aluminum section. And for this purpose, we use the static general step, concrete damage plasticity for the beam with tension and compression behavior and damage, elastic plastic model for the aluminum. And if you see, this is the tension damage of the model, and the application of these aluminum box or sections is this: decrease the tension damage of the beam. You can see here in the left side we have more, in the right side less. And this is the yield criterion. Then uh, the stress in the sections, in the reinforcement, load or force displacement capacity. The maximum load for this test is about 0.22 meganewton or 220 kilonewton for this displacement. And the other result, compressive damage, is not important. Displacement, stiffness degradation happened in the left side more, and this is the results. Okay, if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the tutorial. You can search some of the word, for instance, near surface or near. Then you will find this. Click on this, and then you will have title, introduction, the assemble part, then the definition of the model, some explanation about the shear load, and then the figures and the items that we need to check in the model. And at the end, you will have this. The package includes CAE and INP file, English video, reference paper, and the price of this is 28 euros. And you can use all the payment methods mentioned here, all the cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. Before that, contact us through this email to tell you more about the tutorial content, the payment method, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.